Hi everyone, Adarsh here. So in this video we're gonna see function. This is a continuation video of functional series where we already talked about function, int function, long function, double function, and in this session we're gonna talk about a function where we're gonna take a object and we are converting the object. We'll do some processing on that object input and return the integer output. So these for this sort of function, for this of requirement, we have a specific functions in JDK8 which is toInt function. So basically what will happen, it takes some input and convert do some processing and return the integer out of that. So let's see in the for just demonstrating this functionality, what I have done, I have just created a method toInt function which gonna take a short type of input, and in toInt function implementation, and it gonna call apply as a int on the inputted object and return the integer. So we have multiple type of approaches here. You can see that in the first approach what we have done, we have just provided a toInt implementation for toInt function, override the apply as a int. We are accepting a short value as an input and we are just doing some processing and we are just converting it into the integer and returning back, and we are just saving the reference into toInt function, and we are just calling this method toInt function by passing a short value as well as a reference of toInt function. So this is the first approach. So further we optimize it by anonymous implementation here by calling toInt function method with the short value, and anonymous implementation where we have override apply as a int method, and we are expecting short value, and short value we are processing and converting into the integer and returning back. So this is the approach when we don't have JDK8. But from the JDK8 we have a feature of lambda expression. So what we have done, we have just passed, instead of passing the complete implementation, we are just passing a relevant implementation of the method. So what we have done, we have just passed this much of code and with the lambda expression. But further we optimize, we have just removed this short data type, return statement, curly braces, semicolon, and we have further optimized. Then again we thought, okay, let's optimize a little bit more. We have, because it's a single parameter, we can just remove these braces also. That become our fifth approach. So if I just execute, you will get the 5 times a similar sort of output. There's no change in the output, but the way of writing the lambda expression will be different. So I hope this will help you to understand how we can convert, how we can use a toInt function where we gonna accept input as a object type of any type, and we'll do some processing and then return the integer output out of that processing. So I hope this will help you to understand, and in the next video I'm gonna come up with 2 long function where I'm gonna explain about how we can use that. Till then, take care, bye.